In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile icon in Calendly. Having a profile photo in Calendly makes your scheduling links feel more personal and trustworthy. It helps people immediately recognize that they're in the right place and that they're booking with a real person. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and by the end, your profile icon will be set up and visible on your booking pages. First, open Calendly in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen. You should see a small circular icon or placeholder where your profile photo will appear. Go ahead and click on that profile icon on the left. This is your entry point to all of your personal account settings. After you click the icon, a small menu will open. From here, you'll want to navigate to your profile settings. Look for the option labeled Profile and click on it. This will take you to a page dedicated to your personal details, such as your name, role, and how you appear to invitees. This is also where you'll manage your profile picture. On the profile page, find the section that shows your current picture area. If you haven't set one yet, it will usually appear as initials or a blank avatar. Right next to this, you'll see a button or link that says Upload Picture. Click on Upload Picture to start adding your profile icon. Your computer's file picker will open, allowing you to choose an image from your device. For the best result, select a clear, high-quality headshot where your face is centered and well lit. Square images generally work best, but Calendly will usually let you crop the picture after you upload it. Once you've selected your image, confirm the upload. Calendly will process the file, and you should immediately see your new profile photo appear in the preview area. If there's an option to adjust or crop the image, take a moment to position your face nicely within the frame, then save your changes. After saving, your new profile icon will be visible on your scheduling pages and invitations. That's all it takes to add a profile icon in Calendly. Having this simple visual touch can make your booking experience feel much more professional and welcoming.